Okay, hi boys and girls. We are going to do our math lesson today, and our math lesson for this week is going to be skip counting. Okay, so we're going to be counting by twos, by fives, and by tens. We've been working on counting by tens, and so now we're going to add the twos and the fives in with that. Okay, so a good way for us to think about the skip counting is we have here our flip-flops. And the reason we say skip counting, because we're skipping the number, well, 2 is the number that's in between. So we're doing 2 at a time. So we're going to skip count by twos, and these are pairs. So they're pairs of twos, okay? So let's start with this one. Here we have 2. All right? And then we have 2 more, so that would be 4, 2, 4, 2 more gives us 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, 14, and 16. All right, let's try that together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, and then we can count on. So after 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay? And then the tens will change. They'll go from 30 to 40, but the ones will also change as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it would be 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Okay? Once you get the hang of it, you'll see how easy it is. Then we're going to go to the fives. We're going to count by 5. So we're going to skip count by 5s. And we have a starfish here. And a starfish has five arms. So that's what we're going to count the starfish, okay? So first we have 1 is 5. 2 would be 10. Then we have 15 and 20. Okay? So that would be 5, 10, 15, 20. They're counting the little arms. There's 5 in each one. That's where they're getting that from. Okay, not 5 separate starfish. So let's go ahead and count up to 100 with that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. Okay, now this is one that we are used to. We're counting by tens using our 10 frames. And you guys already have used 10 frames before. We did that last week and we've done that prior. So here we go. We already know how many are in each 10 frame. I think these are fish. There are 10. So the first one's 10. Counting on 20 and 30. Very good. 10, 20, 30. We're counting them all together, okay? Let's count to 100 by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Then we have, here we go. We're going to be counting our dimes. We worked with that last week. Remember how many pennies are in a dime? 10. Very good. So let's count our money. So here's 1 dime is 10. 2 dimes gives us 20 cents. And 3 dimes gives us 30 cents. So 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. Very good. And if I was going to go up to 100, how much would that be? That would be 100 pennies, which would be $1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 cents is actually $1. Very good. Now we're going to count our nickels. How much is a nickel worth? A nickel is worth 5 cents or 5 pennies in a nickel. So here we go. 5, 1 nickel, 2 nickels would be 10 cents, 3 nickels would be 15 cents, and 4 nickels would be 20 cents. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's count on to 100. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, here's a little quick check. So while we're over here, we're going to go ahead and do our quick check. Our quick check here is they want us to count the 10 frames and count on. So we have 10, 20. The top is filled. That gives us 5. So 10, 25. And then count by 1. 6, 7, 8. So we have 28. All right, now let's count our cubes. This line of cubes, 10. So 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 24. Good job, guys. Okay, so counting by 2s, counting by 5s, and counting by 10s. That's what we're going to be working on. Skip counting, I will post on Google Classroom. I will post where in iExcel you need to complete, what pages or what parts of iExcel for the skip counting. Also, I will put on Google Classroom, I actually have 2 videos for skip counting that are really fun. I couldn't decide between them, so I'm going to go ahead and put both of them on because I think they are easy for you to understand how to skip count, and they're just fun to do. And one of them is the gentleman Hartman, which we like him. He makes us do a lot of moving and dancing, and so he's fun. So we're going to add him as well as another one I found. So check out Google Classroom for all those, okay? We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.